My name is Leticia. I help people finding their unique strengths and give birth to their project. I do so being a trainer and a therapist. And I'm here in order to bring more embodiment to my practice. And dance has been a big part of my life, and I wanted to introduce a lot of tools in my trainings and in the way I accompanied the persons.
What did you experience in this training?
I experienced a lot of things. I experienced the fact of having a beautiful and empowering way to warm up my body. Fun, easy, creative way to express my emotion, to play with the other one, to see dance from another point of view, to bring depth into my dancing, to even have a lot of tools that I can use in my even management trainings or communication trainings through dance. I experienced the fact of having really strong bonds with the part of the team that we co-create together. A lot of ways to play as well with children, to introduce all this knowledge, either with managers or with children. I experience freedom, clarity, exigence in the propositions that are made, but always with a lot of justice, alignment, I would say.
And did you also experience something unexpected?
So a lot of things were. I wasn't expecting anything in particular, so everything was a surprise to me. But the unexpected maybe is the fact that Goran incarnates really well what he's teaching. I find some roots in his teaching that were quite common to to my background. So this was a bit unexpected to see a lot of common roots. What was not expected is maybe the fact of putting directly into practice our teaching, which is for me the most efficient way to learn, and the deep bonds and so natural bonds that we create with all the team.
So who is leading this training and what can you say about him?
It's Goran Bogdanovsky, sorry for my accent, who led the training, and he's a great teacher that I respect really highly for his way to be clear, to illustrate by example what he's saying. A teacher who show you what you need to see, sometimes in a really direct way, always helpfully, and who has a lot of experience as a dancer, as a choreographer, as someone who tried to, I guess, understand who he is and be free and create with that. It's a path that I highly respect, and so he brings to his teachings a lot of wisdom, a lot of different influences, going from qigong to yoga to dance therapy, yeah, and so we can end the fact of having the career of an international dancer and choreographer. So it brings a lot of density to what he is proposing us. I'm really grateful to to have been able to get this teaching, which is for sure a really, really high value teaching. Yeah.
How would you describe this teacher training to a friend?
I will describe it as a training which is at the same time really well structured, with a lot of different tools that you can develop in an infinite way, that you can make yours. It's for me, it's a canvas in order to understand better yourself, your way of dancing, the way you can facilitate space, dancing space, but as well like training space. The butterflies are here. It's a transformational training as well. I experience a lot of healing, and Goran give this space to at the same time have tools as a facilitator and experiment deeply our own process, which make the training even more. It gives all the layers, you experiment it as a facilitator, great training for facilitator, and at the same time being able to live deeply all the process and put into action directly what we learn.
Who do you think would benefit from this?
Who? All the person who wants to have a teacher who has a lot of experience in dancing, in facilitating, in performing, who interests deeply in understanding who we are as a human being and what we can bring to the world. Or the person who wants to have tools in facilitating spaces, introduce dance to their practice, whether it's coaching in management or working with children or being a therapist or being a cineast. All these tools can really be applied to, I think, almost all the domain of our life, because it just give us other way to understand ourselves, our body, the group dynamics.
Any last thoughts?
I'm really grateful to have the possibilities to share this time. Goran is really generous with the teaching he gave. He's really present for each of us. I think that it's like the the experience of a whole life that he tried to he managed to share with us in such a condensed time, with a lot of fun, intelligence, beautiful pedagogical behavior and posture. So I think that I'm really lucky to have been part of this training. Thanks, Goran.